Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erin Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. Advice to the children of Iwori Meji. At the height of his prosperity, a priest of Ifa visited Iwori Meji. The priest's name was Eni Aja Ba Wa Ni Aja Àbìnọ, which means, the dog returns home with the person with whom it went out. He gave Iwori Meji the following advice in the form of a poem. Ifa tejumomi ku wo mi ririe, eji koko ewori okpi, tejumomi ririe, eji koko ewori. My Ifa has taken good care of me. I, too, will take good care of my Ifa. The divine palm shall protect me, just as I will serve Orunmila with all my heart. When Iwori Meji appears for a newly initiated person in the Ifa religion, during Igbodun, they must be advised to serve Orunmila with complete sincerity, for Orunmila will always take good care of them.